Bystander apathy refers to the phenomenon where individuals in a group setting fail to take action or intervene in situations requiring assistance or attention. This occurs due to the assumption that someone else will step in or the fear of being judged for their actions. In the workplace, bystander apathy can manifest in various forms, such as ignoring bullying, discrimination, or unethical behavior. Bystander apathy in the workplace is a critical issue that undermines diversity, equity, and inclusion (DEI) initiatives. It creates an environment where harmful behaviors go unchecked, perpetuating a culture of silence and complicity. The reluctance to act can stem from several psychological factors, including diffusion of responsibility. Employees may believe that others will intervene, thus diluting their sense of personal responsibility. Fear of retaliation. Concerns about potential backlash or negative consequences can deter individuals from stepping forward. Social influence. People often look to others for cues on how to behave. If no one else acts, individuals may assume intervention is unnecessary. Uncertainty. Doubts about whether the situation warrants intervention or uncertainty about the correct course of action can lead to inaction. Bystander apathy can have severe implications for workplace culture and the effectiveness of DEI programs. When employees fail to address or report discriminatory practices, harassment, or unethical conduct, it can reinforce negative behaviors. Without accountability, perpetrators may feel emboldened to continue their actions. Erode trust. A lack of intervention can lead to a breakdown of trust among colleagues, as employees may feel unsupported and unsafe. Hinder inclusivity. When harmful behaviors are not addressed, it undermines efforts to create an inclusive environment where everyone feels valued and respected. Decrease employee morale. Witnessing unchallenged negative behavior can demoralize employees, leading to reduced engagement and productivity. Consider a scenario in a UK office where a team member consistently makes sexist jokes that make female colleagues uncomfortable. Despite noticing the inappropriate behavior, other team members choose to stay silent, either because they assume someone else will address it or because they fear being labeled as overly sensitive or disruptive. This lack of action allows the behavior to continue, contributing to a hostile work environment and negatively affecting the morale and productivity of the affected employees. To combat bystander apathy, organizations must foster a culture where employees feel empowered and responsible for intervening in problematic situations. Here are some strategies to address bystander apathy in the workplace. Education and training. Implement regular training sessions on bystander intervention, highlighting the importance of taking action and providing practical steps for doing so. Clear reporting mechanisms. Establish and communicate clear confidential reporting channels for employees to report misconduct without fear of retaliation. Leadership example. Encourage leaders to model proactive behavior by addressing issues promptly and visibly supporting those who speak out. Empower employees. Promote a culture of collective responsibility where every team member understands their role in maintaining a respectful and inclusive workplace. Recognition and rewards. Acknowledge and reward employees who demonstrate courage and responsibility in intervening or reporting issues. Bystander apathy in the workplace is a significant barrier to achieving true diversity, equity, and inclusion. By understanding the factors that contribute to this phenomenon and implementing strategies to encourage proactive behavior, organizations can create a safer, more inclusive environment. Addressing bystander apathy not only helps in tackling immediate issues, but also fosters a culture of accountability and support, essential for long-term organizational success. By prioritizing the mitigation of bystander apathy, companies can ensure that their DEI efforts are robust, meaningful, and effective.